Hey guys, I'm Chantel Miller. Some of you may know me as Mama Miller. On this channel, I'll be sharing longer form step-by-step tutorials on your top home-related questions. Today I wanted to share with you an updated version of my linen folding video. This fold is so perfect for apartment living. It is perfect for storage or perfect if you're just looking to save that little bit of extra space around the house, and who isn't? I really hope this is a wonderful resource for you to have in your home. If you love this type of content, please hit the subscribe button down below. Your support means everything, and feel free to let me know in the comments down below which home questions you would like to see answered next. Alright guys, let's get folding.